Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos Android to Android. So for this, you have to first of all go for your Play Store app. Now you have to install this app, which is ShareIt, transfer share files. So you have to install this one. After installing, go for open, and you have to also install this app to another Android phone. After on this page, you have to tap send from this mobile or in this Android, and you have to tap on receive to your another Android phone. If I show you to it, just tap on receive, and after tap on receive, it shows a QR code here. So just go for share it from this mobile. Have to wait for 5 seconds here, you can see, and skipped. Then tap on send from this Android. Now go for photos and select your photo and tap on send. Now after open and tap on next, it shows you scan process, and you have to just scan this QR code. So now it's sharing and it's completed. So yeah, this is how you can transfer a photo from Android to Android. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.